Happy New Year everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Marzan and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Flexispot EN1W sit-stand desk. But just a quick pointer that I purchased the frame from Flexispot and not the tabletop, and that will make more sense in just a moment. So, story time. So in February 2020 last year, I basically bought one of the most popular combinations of Ikea desks, which was the Alex Strauss, the Linnmon tabletop, which is this, and the dill legs, just for the reason for studying. I was actually going to work in an office, so I had a reasonable amount of movement throughout the day from commuting, etc. But once lockdown hit, it became a problem because a few months down the line, having sat at the desk for so long, not just for my work but also for my studies and then potentially YouTube, I just was so much more stationary and didn't move around as much as I did before, and that started to give me a lot of back pains and leg pains and just discomfort overall, to the point where when I did some work or if I did some studying, it would actually be a bit more of a distraction to me because of just the amount of discomfort that I had. So to resolve that, I started looking into sit-stand desks. Now if you search it yourself, you can see them easily go up from like £400-500 to £1,000 or even more in terms of price. But I didn't really fancy spending that much. I mean, I already had this Linnmon tabletop, which was only about £25 from Ikea and suited the aesthetics of the apartment already. So I just needed the frame. So I looked on Amazon and I actually found this Flexispot, which is a renowned company, for only £230, which is a really good buy. Just to compare, I think on Ikea, if I can show a picture of it I will, but they have a similar desk which you hand crank, and I think at that time when I last checked it was about 200 plus. So comparatively speaking, this made a lot more sense for me. Okay, now that I've gone through my life story, let's get into the specifics of the desk. So this specific model that I have is the Flexispot EN1W, the W standing for white frame, and you can also get a black frame and a grey frame, and I believe the prices vary between which color frame that you choose. When I purchased this desk frame 3 months ago, it was £230. I believe now it's gone up to £250, but I still think it's a good price for the desk. So one of the really appealing things to me when I actually was looking for this desk is that obviously not only does it go up and down electronically, is that you can actually, when you initially set up the desk, you can actually extend the desk in terms of the width. So obviously that's really useful because you can extend it to basically suit your space in terms of where you want to put it. But just say you wanted to move it around in the future, rather than having something really fixated, you can again easily extend it or, you know, make it smaller in terms of the width. So another thing that I actually do really love about this is that you are literally just paying for the frame. You know, there are circumstances where you might end up finding some products where they sell the desk and the tabletop together. Obviously the price is likely to increase, but with this you literally just get the frame. And I think Flexispot do have some options on the tabletops there, but if you want to go for like a budget tabletop from Ikea like I have and that I had already lying around, you could do so. Or if you want to add your own other tabletop or make your own tabletop, you can also do so, depending on just making sure that you get the right measurements. But that's something else that I really love about it. You don't have to break the bank. Okay, so now I'm going to go into a bit more vlog style, just so I can give you guys a little bit of the tour of the desk so you can see how it works, some of the functions, and just to get a bit of an overall feel for the desk and to see if it's something that you guys are interested in. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll get straight into it. Okay, so now that I've got the camera flipped towards the desk, this is obviously the tabletop. Like I mentioned, it won't be coming with the desk. This was a separate purchase from Ikea. But also underneath the desk I've put a cable tray, again from Ikea, and yes, it's a bit messy, but what you will be getting is essentially this frame here, and this is the motor here. It's a bit hard to see, but there's a basically a power, and here is the spindle, and here is the computer module. So this is a programmable model where you can actually set 3 different heights. I use 1 for sitting, 2 I don't really use, to be honest, and 3 I use for my stand position, which it is at the moment. So just to give you guys a little bit of a demonstration, I'll press 1 as if I'm going to sit down. So you press it once and you click it again. So the first click is usually like a wake up to the desk, and you press it again, and then that's when it'll actually start moving. But as you can see, it just moves down into the position that you set, and it actually doesn't take that long, as you can see right now. Okay, and let's just say for demonstration purposes we want to set another desired height. All you have to do is really simple. So obviously you got these up and down arrows. So to say we want the desk to be a little bit higher for whatever reason, so let's just say 85, that was close. All you have to do is click M, and I want to assign it to 2, so I'm going to click 2. So now that's programmed to 2 at this level. So just say I'm back in my seating position and I want to go to that higher position for whatever reason. I literally just click the number, and it's as simple as that. It'll go straight to the desired height. You also have this A button. I've actually not used it yet, but it's used as a reminder to let you know that you've been sitting for too long. So you can also use that function as well. Okay, and back to me. So guys, just to try to wrap this up, when I actually received the package for the frame, I was actually quite surprised of how small it was. I actually didn't make the whole desk until like a week later, and I left the box or the package aside and didn't really get in my way or anything like that. In terms of actually fixing the frame, or putting the whole desk together, to be honest, the instructions were very simple. I think anyone could really do it despite the extra modules, etc. It took me probably about 2 hours to fix it all, but that's considering that I was also trying to make a YouTube video out of it, which I successfully failed, and I probably could have done it underneath like an hour and a half, or maybe even less. If you've got someone else to help you, even better bonus. And to be honest, what I love about it is just like, if I'm sitting and then maybe I want to get a drink, I could just like press the button for it to go up and then grab a drink and or a snack, and by the time I come back it's pretty much done. Like, it's at the height that at the standing height. I find that really convenient, and just the fact that it gives me a bit more mobility, especially living in more of a smaller apartment, to kind of like either sit or stand and basically even do my work at the same time, which is really convenient. And what I would also say is that all those back pains and leg pains that I mentioned that I have personally had before, they have all gone. It's personally solved pretty much all those issues, and I'm really happy with the purchase because of it. I'm not sure if it'll do the same for everyone else. Like if you're planning to do the same thing, I'm not sure if it'll do that. It might relieve some pain, etc. But it did for me, and that's probably one of the biggest reasons why I'm really happy with the purchase. Because I see it less of an expense but more as an investment. You know, your health is really important, and at the same time you're able to be a bit more productive because you can either sit or stand, which is absolutely great. I would highly recommend this model in terms of pricing and the flexibility in terms of the height adjustment, and also the width adjustment, and the ability to actually put your own tabletop if you wanted to. Obviously there's other ones out there. I've not reviewed them, so I can't really give my verdict on them, but I'm sure there's quite a few which are good. Maybe the ones which are more expensive might have some other functions or some sort of other slightly different designs, etc. But as for now, I would highly recommend this one. I'll put all the links in the description below. Well guys, to finish up, I'll just say, if you like the video, then like the video. Please subscribe if you already haven't done so, and I'll see you guys in the next one.